Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. Now, before I get started with the process, I'm just going to quickly mention something that is a little bit different than I would usually do. So typically I would have the lock screen or the verification portion already open, where it tells me to verify either the previously used screen lock or the Google account. Now, that being said, there is a couple requirements for this to function. So number one, which will be the most important one, this works only, I believe, with pin and pattern, or just pin. I had a pattern set, and I guess we'll see if it works or not, but that's basically the caveat number one. And the second thing that we'll need to do is just skip connecting to Wi-Fi. That is one of the reasons, or the only reason, why I'm not showing you that the device is locked, because if I were to connect to my networks so I can show you that it's locked, I would need to go through a factory reset of the device. Because when you go into the setup, which I'll be doing right now, and you choose all your stuff, you'll have this page right here. Now, if you choose to connect to network, it will obviously, you'll put in your password, connect to it, go to the next page, and then it will scan that the device is locked. And in this case, there is no way to actually disconnect from Wi-Fi when you're in the setup. So the only way you can do it is by factory resetting your device. So you do so by turning off the device and then holding power button and volume down and selecting factory reset. But if you choose to skip this right now, it's basically the same thing, but it looks like this will only work if you have a PIN. So to protect your phone, please connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile data network to authenticate. So I had a pattern, that's why it's not gonna work. So it looks like it works only, and I mean only, with a PIN. If you had a password set or pattern, there is no way to bypass this, unfortunately, at least not a way that I know of. So if you had a PIN, you can just select skip button if you haven't connected to any network and finish up the setup, and that's it. Now, that being said, once you finish up the setup, I would recommend performing a factory reset of the device through settings, just to ensure that there is nothing left over from the account. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Now, in this case, it looks like I'm not going to be able to go through it because I would need to verify, set up PIN, reset, and then skip, which it's a bit much just to show you that the device can be, or this verification can be skipped by just not connecting to Wi-Fi as long as you had a PIN. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful. I know it's not the typical bypass that I would usually do, so sorry for that, but hopefully you found it helpful, informative. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.